To build a truly accurate rifle, you'd start with an action machined from solid steel bar stock, then hand bed it. You'd give it a free-floating button-rifled barrel, one that's been air-gauged, individually bore-scoped, and chambered by hand. You'd expect all these features in a custom-built rifle. Or you could just buy any Browning A-bolt. Every A-bolt has all these features and more, right out of the box, because there's accuracy, and then there's Browning A-bolt accuracy.
Most gun makers just add a new feature to improve performance. Every component of the Browning X-Bolt works together to deliver the most crucial feature: total accuracy. The Browning X-Bolt, an all-new rifle system designed for total accuracy.